Many people ask whether N8n is free, and the answer depends on how you want to use it. N8n is open source, which means you can use the community edition without paying anything. You can install it on your own computer or server, and there are no limits on how many workflows or executions you can create. This makes it a very powerful option for individuals or teams who are comfortable setting things up themselves. However, N8n also offers a cloud version which is hosted by the N8n team. This version is not completely free, but it does come with a free trial and a limited free plan. With the cloud version, you do not need to worry about installation, updates, or server management because everything is handled for you. The free plan includes a limited number of workflows and executions each month. If you need more, you can upgrade to a paid plan which gives you more features, higher limits, and additional support. So if you want to use N8n for free, the Community Edition is the best choice. You will need to host it yourself, but you get unlimited access to its features. You can use N8n completely free if you host it yourself. The most common way is with Docker, where you just pull the official N8n image and run it on your own machine or server. You can also install it with npm by running npx n8n, which starts N8n locally without needing extra setup. Another simple option is the N8n desktop app, which you can download and run like normal software. All of these options give you the Community Edition for free with no limits. If you do not want to host it yourself, you can also sign up for N8n Cloud and use the free plan, but that has limited executions each month.